Hello all, I am Jai from Singapore and this is my CS50 final project. DataX is a data visualization web app which features some highly customizable features which I'll show you in a bit. So without further ado, let me show you some of the options. So there's the traditional pie chart all the way to the more modern bubble chart. Alright, so let me first show you the pie chart. Alright, so you press create pie chart and this gives you a pie chart and these are the values that I have set up beforehand. So let me show you. To add in a new variable, just comma and add in a new variable. So the value for Foxtrot will be 300 and let me give it a fill color of this color and the border color will be white. Alright, so I just press create pie chart and voila, I have it. You can even manipulate the angle of the pie chart with this angle selector. Alright, let's move on to the line graph. Okay, so for this you can set up the minimum y value, the maximum y value, and the step size of the y value. Okay, these are the variables, and then two data sets. So these are the data for the variables here. So the border color is from red to blue for this one. You can see red to blue. So I introduced gradient color in line graphs so that you all can better present your data if you want to. So for the fill color refers to the area under the line graph. So I've set it to 00 beforehand so that it is fully transparent, but let's set it to half opaque, which is 80. So now let's create a line graph and voila, this is what you get. And let's download it. You're going to see how it looks like. And this will be your final product. My name is Jai and I'm from Singapore. This was CS50.